Is your Model Y Dashcam not recording when you need it most? Here's what to check. First things first, check if your USB drive is plugged in properly. The Dashcam only works with a USB drive that's formatted correctly. Tesla recommends exFAT or FAT32. If your drive wasn't set up this way, your Dashcam won't record. Next, make sure your Tesla software is up to date. Sometimes a quick update fixes Dashcam bugs. Tap Controls, then Software, and check for updates. Still not working? Go to your touchscreen and look for the Dashcam icon. If there's a red X or the icon is missing, the car isn't detecting your USB. Try removing and reinserting the drive, or use a different USB port. Sometimes the USB drive itself is the problem. If it's old or full, videos can't save. Consider clearing out old footage or replacing the drive. One last thing. If Sentry Mode is on, it can use up the USB's capacity fast. Regularly back up and delete old clips. Still stuck? Try a full reboot by holding both scroll wheels on your steering wheel for 10 seconds, and that's it. With these quick checks, your Tesla's Dashcam should be back in action.